Hey, Kate here with WTI and welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to show off this beautiful silverware set from EIUBUIE. So what I love about this set is that you just have to buy one and you have a place setting for 8 people. So a really nice large set of 40. You get your butter knife, you get a dinner fork and a salad fork. You also get a tablespoon and a teaspoon. As you can see, it's a very sleek, modern design. It's not something that will be outdated. It will always be in style. It's got such a beautiful shine to it. They are dishwasher safe. I know that's the first thing I ask for anything I'm buying for my kitchen. And so yes, you can put these in the dishwasher. They shine up so beautifully. They look amazing on a table setting. They even look nice in the drawer. Another really cool thing is that they stack together beautifully. So if you are tight on space, you can stack these up. They don't take up a lot of room. They're nicely balanced. They're not too heavy, not too light. So a nice medium weight. I know that some silverware can run really big. This one I feel is the perfect size. So if you want to upgrade your set, I would definitely recommend this one. I think the quality is really nice. It's got a beautiful look and design, a nice feel, and exactly what you need for your kitchen. And that's my point of view.